In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly from Gmail. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, so let's dive right in and ensure you have everything you need to get this done smoothly. First, ensure you are logged into your Calendly account. Once you're set, navigate directly to the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll find your main dashboard, and you'll want to look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Under there, you'll see a variety of options that Calendly provides to make your scheduling easier. For our purpose today, locate the Integrations and Apps section. Clicking on this will open a window showcasing all the possible integrations Calendly offers, which is everything from Google Calendar to LinkedIn and, of course, Gmail. Moving on, once you are in the integration space, go ahead and use the search bar within this section to type in Gmail. This is crucial as it filters out unnecessary options and directs you precisely to what we need. Look for an option called Gmail Workflow. This workflow is what enables the smooth transition of scheduling through Gmail, but for today, we'll be learning to disconnect it. After you've found Gmail Workflow, click on it. In the window that appears, you'll be presented with more detailed instructions and options regarding the integration features currently in use. You'll find a prominent button labeled Disconnect. It's usually located towards the upper area of this page, ensuring it's accessible for situations exactly like this, when you need to remove the integration. Once you've identified the Disconnect button, go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked, a pop-up will appear. This pop-up is simply a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure about removing this integration. It's a standard step for most app integrations to prevent accidental removals. Confirm by clicking Disconnect again on the pop-up. Picture it as your final handshake with this particular setup. And with that click, you have successfully removed Calendly from your Gmail. It's a straightforward process, but these steps ensure you've done everything correctly, without hassle. This disconnection might be what you need to manage your app connections better, avoid unnecessary notifications, or simply clean up your digital workspace. And there you have it. You've learned how to disconnect Calendly from Gmail. I hope you found these instructions clear and useful. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we break down digital processes into easy-to-follow steps. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy scheduling without Gmail.